I got a call from my CFO. The 30,000 is all gone. He says, no, Ben. It seems like it's the whole wallet. I asked, what did we have in the wallet? He said about 400,000 Ethereum. Okay, how much is that in dollars? And that's when his voice started shaking, and he said $1.5 billion. Crazy week.
This is the same as last time, man.
You won't believe this big news in the world of cloud storage. And I don't mean the cloud Kamala Harris has her head in.
So you're now no longer are you necessarily keeping those private files in some file cabinet that's locked in the basement of the house. It's on your laptop, and it's then therefore up here in this cloud that exists above us.
I'm talking decentralized cloud storage and what it means for the future of your data. Watch this video until the very end to protect your family and your investments. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you want to learn more about crypto and how to play the crypto markets to put you and your family in a better financial position, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Before I tell you about a new partnership that's going to merge decentralized cloud storage and AI, let's break down why decentralization even matters. And it's a little like cell phones versus something only your grandfather remembers, and that's a landline telephone.
Hello?
Hey Todd, it's your girl Stacy on my new Swatch phone.
Stacy, baby, what's shaking?
Because like a landline, decentralization is one of those things that you don't need until you need it. Much like a landline phone. It might seem obsolete in the age of smartphones and cloud convenience. But when disaster strikes and centralized systems fail, decentralization could become a lifeline. In the same way that a landline can provide communication when cell towers are down. Decentralized cloud storage offers access to your data even if major providers like AWS experience an outage or cyber attack. It's a form of self-custody for the digital age, ensuring your information remains accessible and secure no matter what. And if it sounds like I'm going all prepper on you guys, I remind you that this already happened in Canada just in 2022. All of a sudden, customers of one cell phone carrier couldn't use anything on their phone, including the internet, payments, directions. And if they didn't have access to a landline, they couldn't even call 911.
No internet, no phone, and no access to critical services like 911. 12 million customers were impacted by the Rogers outage for over 24 hours.
The Canadian CRTC did an audit, and this 24-hour outage was all because of a system upgrade gone wrong. But this incident shows that something we count on to always be online could someday just get turned off. It does happen. It will happen again. The cloud is a huge network of interconnected data centers with rows of servers equipped with high-capacity storage drives and powerful processors to handle the immense amounts of data being uploaded, downloaded, and continually processed. These servers are connected to high-speed internet backbones, ensuring quick and reliable access to your files, or at least you hope. Decentralized cloud hosting leverages a network of independent computers that are generally compensated with a blockchain's native utility token to provide hosting services, giving users access to the cloud without having to rely on a single entity to keep the lights on. So first, let's line up Internet Computer Protocol's cloud storage with AWS, or ICP of course I'm referring to. Then we'll get into the Singularity Net partnership that I find very interesting. Internet Computer Protocol's ICP is a great example of a cryptocurrency project that offers cloud storage capabilities, although it functions differently than traditional cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, because Internet Computer Protocol actually is the cloud.
You know, when you think about Satoshi and what he taught us, the aim was to remove intermediaries. And you know, if you're really building on Amazon Web Services, of course, Amazon Web Services can switch you off. The developer has a username and password, and they can log in and change your data and update the logic and even steal your tokens in practice because they can trick you. The internet computer has two forms of autonomy. The actual network itself, the entire network, runs under the control of a special DAO called a network nervous system.
The defining feature isn't just that ICP has decentralized cloud storage. It's actually an entire blockchain built to be one giant cloud. It's extremely fascinating, and I love this project. If you want to check out my most recent deep dive into ICP, you'll find the link down below in the description. So today, I won't harp about the tech. But file storage on ICP boils down to a decentralized network of independent centers to store data. This means no single entity controls it, enhancing security and censorship resistance. ICP's cloud storage is designed to be highly scalable and performant, enabling it to handle large volumes of data and computationally intensive tasks. But it's still under development, and a new technology compared to established providers like AWS. So as the ecosystem evolves, widespread adoption might take time. Right now, Amazon Web Services is the biggest cloud services provider, with over 1 million customers, and some with huge reach and big web hosting needs like Netflix, Disney, Vanguard, just to name a few. Is ICP at this level? Definitely not, but as crypto adoption starts to make more sense to a wider audience, decentralized storage might start to seem like a good alternative to relying on one single entity. And hopefully we won't need to learn about that the hard way.